Hello, teachers, and welcome to a brand new school year. I hope you had a great summer recess. Well, my name is Ryan Timmons, and I work for the Dana Center, and I'll be one of your guides here throughout the year in the community of practice. What we've got here first off is our brand new Math Fix. We'd like for you to engage with this task to look at a standard in your first unit and to explore what ideas that students might have with this task and ways that impacts our teaching. So please take a look and get excited about the Math Fix and other things that are coming in your communities of practice this year.
Today's Math Fix centers around 3.OA.9, which has arithmetic patterns, and particularly in the addition and the multiplication tables, and explaining those patterns. This Math Fix is all about a particular pattern in the 1 to 6 multiplication table. Students will look to explain why some rows of the multiplication table have all even products and other rows alternate even-odd. They'll also look into whether or not the patterns extend if the multiplication table extends. When first attempting to explain, expect students to just share what is and not actually explain why. It's not uncommon for students to simply state that the whole row is even or another row alternates even-odd. Use this as an opportunity to reiterate the question, why, and to focus students on explaining the pattern. This task brings students back to their second grade understanding of even and odd and what happens when you add even or odd numbers together. Now in third grade, they are learning about multiplication, but this task connects them to repeated addition and pushes them to explain the pattern. Look for students to recognize multiplication as that repeated addition and what patterns they might see. Then center the discussion around the understanding that even plus even is equal to even, and that's what's happening in 2, 4, 6, and odd plus odd is equal to even, but odd plus odd plus odd is equal to odd, and that's what's happening in rows 1 through 5. 1, 3, 5. Using that, what will the pattern be if we add 7, 8, and 9 to the table? So here's our solution written a little more clearly.
So that's our Math Fix. Please give it a whirl, try it out yourselves, see what things come up, what assumptions you made, and possibly ways that you think your students might engage with it as well. Once you've done that, leave us some feedback, some comments, and some likes below so we know that you're enjoying the work we're doing and you're giving thoughts on how these tasks impact the way that you instruct your students.